like to make pots. It's quite hard at first because you need to get the shape right that you want.
Well, you have to put your hands around the clay while it span round, and it was really hard to make sure that it doesn't slip.
And you've got to make sure that your hands stay on for that the whole time.
It just kind of made itself.
It was really messy. Mine's the best.
Okay, mine is.
No, mine's a bowl.
Yeah, well, mine's water bars. When I change, when I get